Grabe, nakakatuwa talaga dito. Come on, let's go. Let's go to the river. Ay, ilog oh.
Like the claw.
May river, may river. May river.
Remember where you got hit here? On the edge and then you're...
May river.
Where's that magpie? You're oh, nice!
May river. Be careful, guys. Be careful.
Yeah, be careful or she gets
There's a
swooped by the
river.
magpie.
The river. Ayun oh.
Why? You're not gonna get swooped.
Are you throwing rocks?
We roll it in.
Are you throwing rocks?
Wait, what's that view?
Grabe.
I saw the magpie and I don't know.
Ang ganda ng ano oh. View. Bali yung ano, yung camping ground. Ayan, mamimili ka na lang dito kung saan ka magka-camping. Bahala ka na kung saan ka pwesto.
I say right before the train.
Nag-enjoy yung mga bata oh. Nag-ano, wala kanya-kanyang ano. Throw it, Kike. Woo!
That's a big splash.
Oh, ito si Tali. Si Tali. Tali.
3 fingers here.
Be careful.
It looks like
Be
3
careful. See how your shoelaces. You're gonna fall. 4 of you. Can you tie your shoelaces, please? See ya. Be careful. Tie your shoelaces first. Ayan na. Throw the rocks, throw the rocks. Ayan na.
I saw the magpie.
Careful ha. Watch out your ano.
Yeah,
Throw it, Tali. Throw it.
Throw it. Yeah.
Woo! Pick it up. Pick it up. Throw again. One more. Woo!
Big rocks in there.
Tuwang-tuwa siya.
Why? What's wrong with
Alright guys, keep on eye your brother and sister ha. We're just gonna set up the tent. At ayan na, ang pinakamagandang part ay magsiset up na kami ng tent namin. Kaya hawakan mo to. At bubuksan ko na itong ano, tent namin. So papakita ko din. Okay. Kailangan kong mahanap nasaan ang gate.
Sino mo sinalagay yung dito pag ganon?
Ito nga, dito mo dito.
Yun lang.
Ano na lang tol, medyo usong mo doon yung sasakyan mo.
Jalen!
Para ano, nakahanap.
Para marang yung hangin dito.
Oo, double.
Yeah, I'm looking for the block.
Ayun na, kasama ko ngayon si Brother John. Ayan, nakapag-set up na kami ng ano namin, mga tent dito sa campsite. At mag-hunting na kami ngayon ng ano, ng mga kahoy sa gilid-gilid. Ayan, ang daming kahoy dyan tulo. Pero ano, pupunta kami sa manager's camp para doon kami ano, bibili kami ng ano, kahoy tol, no?
Para may yung madaling mapoy na.
Oo, para mapaapoy
Kasi
na
medyo
namin.
late na tayo nag-setup eh. Bukas makakakay tayo.
Mangahoy kami bukas. Dito lang pala yung sakayan ng kabayo tol. Ayan
Ang
o.
kala ko malayo. Stables.
Ayan o. Daming ano, mga bata. tayo. Ayun, pony. Dapat nagdala ako ng kahoy. Ang daming kahoy sa bahay.
Sunog natin.
Alam mo mga kahoy na binigay mo sa akin? Ganon, ang dami, nakatambak. Kung akala ko kasi, binasa ko yung ano, pwedeng mamulot daw dito ng ano, ng kahoy. Uy!
Lalim yun.
Ang lalim!
Tara mo dito, tara mo kahoy dito, tol.
Nasaan?
Malaki. Kailangan talaga yung kahoy na ano. Bibiyak tayo.
Dinala mo ba yung itak?
Oo, sa likod. Pwede tayo magbiyak sa ano.
Banda doon pa siguro tol.
Ito yung managers ka. Dito na tayo, bilhin tayo ng kahoy. Tapos boss tayo magbiyak na ng kahoy. Dahil tayo.
Asan? Hindi pa ito yung manager's cabin. Doon pa yun. Ito yung Cape Verde,
Ito?
12 kilometers. Ayun, daming kahoy. Ayun.
Chupin natin, oh.
Kaya lang tol, matao dito eh. Bili muna na tayo dito ng isa.
Ito manager.
Ay, manager's entry. Dito kami bibili ng ano, firewood. Ayan, baba muna kami. Sana meron kaming ano, mabibili pa dito. Ayan. Managers. Ay, may gas din pala dun tol, oh. Tara, baba tayo. Bibili kami ng ano. Tol, nakasara. Sarado na tol. Oh,
Hindi, bubuksan mo lang.
may tao pa kaya dyan?
Oo.
Manager. Yung pala nakasabit lang. Inasaran nila. Siguro may kabayo, no? Sara natin. Ayan. Open ba total 24/7? Ayun tol, oh. Karga natin kahoy dun, oh. Ayun. Kaya na.
Biyak na ano yan.
Ayun pala yung entrance tol, eh.
Ang mga ingat.
Ayan. May quad biking pa, oh. Sa yung tindahan dito, their guests.
Hi, how are you?
Hey,
Hello.
we just wanna.
By
So we brought our firewoods. We left them. So do you have any firewoods here?
do you sell firewood?
Yes, we do. It's $20 a bag, and the booking is under which name?
Well, Lamson.
Did you book the campsite under your name?
Yeah.
What's your name
Lamson.
and your first name?
John.
John. Just a moment, John.
John Lamson.
Your name saying.
That's too little. How can you see that?
Pardon?
How can you see that's too little?
I know. I was thinking, how can I see this? Oh yeah, Lamson.
Lamson.
Lawrence.
Alex.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks, guys.
Can you see? Can you
Oh
find
no, I
it?
don't have my glasses.
So. So you book it or?
Yeah, it's booked.
I'll be with you in a moment.
Oh, there, John Lamson. Yeah.
That one.
How many bags? You want to have a look there behind this?
So
one
the
next
one
to-
bag, how many hours will last?
Well, it depends if you chuck it all in the wood. No, it should last a night.
Ah, the
But
night.
have a look. Just go behind.
Okay.
John, just go like this, John, behind. Go around behind.
Oh.
And you see the bag under the blue top. How are you? What is down here?
Will last for ano daw tol, one night.
Kukuha tayo ng malaking wood. Habang nag-ano, chop ka sa akin. Eto.
Oo, one night.
Pwede na, sa isang board.
Ah, marami pala eh. Kaya lang basa tol.
Hindi kukuha tayo sa gitna.
Ayan, firewood. Parang bawas yan tol. Itong isa yung puno. Ayan. Ayan.
Mga Pilipino nga tayo to.
Ayan. Buhatin natin. 20 kilo. Marami. Tol, parang maling
Parang di yata 20 to.
parang maling desisyon natin na naglakad tayo. Layo na sasakyan natin.
Pasok ang gusto.
Bigat pala nito. Ah! Mabigat.
Ito na to. Ito tayo sa bag.
Ayan. Pasok mo na lang.
Sa bag na.
Ayan, $20 pala yung ano dito mga makulista. Yung kahoy. Pero isang bag lang yung ano. Bibili namin yon. Ano? Where is it? Where?
It lasted for a couple of months and then we did it.
Maybe he comes down. It's a bit busy here.
Congratulations, Angel. It's beautiful. That's okay. I'll just did you close the door? I closed the door. That's fine. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Have a lovely time. Hopefully we'll see you again.
He's
He's
scared of you.
hiding. He's scared. Aww.
You're wearing a red
See you soon, okay? Ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh, you saw my. Do you have any credit cards? No
Cash.
credit cards. Credit card?
No, yeah.
Okay, I'll take it today.
Maybe he comes down
Next time,
here.
credit card, okay?
Only card payments?
Yeah.
I thought we need to bring.
How come you got a post no internet?
Yeah, no, we do have. Look, look, look.
Oh my god. What's his name?
We don't have a name. We're still looking for names.
Maybe give name Richard.
Richard?
Yeah,
It's a
Richard.
bit boring.
Richard.
Richard?
Yeah.
Maybe John.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice name,
Who
John.
are you, Richard?
Yeah.
No? No.
His nickname Richard.
Richard. All right. I mean, John.
Yeah,
I've never
Richard.
seen a kaka like this guy.
Yeah, no, he comes to my husband's hand. Michael?
How old is he?
I don't know. It's just been coming here
He's
for a long time.
He's wild.
Maybe because you giving food all the time.
You want to put him in your arm? They want to see it. Come on, just do it quickly. He comes. You know, we leave the door open, and he comes crawling.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And then he just sits in the kitchen bench.
So this is open
My house.
24 hours?
Oh,
Oh, he flew away already.
You guys own this area? Or?
yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we've been here for a long time.
Yeah.
He thought Michael was going to the back. He just went over there.
So how was this area during the bushfires and all that? We heard about
Are you open on bushfire?
No, over there, Michael. It's over there.
I'll go over here.
He's, oh yeah, you trying to.
I think he doesn't like my shirt. It's red.
Yeah.
He's watching.
Oh, he's coming now.
He can't see you.
Awesome.
It's making you look bad, Mikey.
Yeah.
He's coming.
I dropped a piece and he saw it. Your eyes are amazing.
Yeah, I know, right?
He's like, he's really beautiful actually.
Yeah, he is. Really wild.
Now, and there's some babies too. He brings his babies and they will hang out with us.
He's coming. Oh,
Isn't that beautiful? He's so beautiful. He's so smart. See if he's
Yeah.
talking. He's so smart.
And then for your husband to be trusted with by a kookaburra, it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's amazing, eh?
yeah, he gets spoiled. And sometimes I'm standing here and he just flies like, "Boop." I'm like, ah!
You get it? It's actually we've been looking at this place even before, right?
yeah.
Oh, I'm glad you came.
Yeah. Finally, we didn't
Finally,
realize
yeah.
how beautiful it was.
John just booked straight away. No question asked.
Yeah,
It's like, just book it.
yeah, we saw the availability. He's like, that's available slot. Send in the payments. I booked it already. I booked.
He hasn't booked yet, but I sent the payment
Yeah.
straight away.
Take
Book
My
it.
money. So how many bags? Just one for tonight?
Just one for tonight.
All right, he's not moving.
Let's get some like woods along the way.
I think he's being shy, Michael, because there's so many people. I think I'm ready for my dinner now.
I'm ready for my
All
dinner
right,
now.
guys, grab the bag.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
night.
Yep.
Okay, may kailangan pa kayo dyan?
Ito na.
May kailangan pa kayo dyan?
Tolbo, buhatin na lang natin. Mabigat pala to.
Ano pa kailangan nyo dyan?
Ikarga mo natin habang nag-ano tayo. Ayan na.
Ano dyan? Okay, papabalik na kami.
Shopee siya. 20 kilos.
Hindi ako 20 to. Parang it's binudol tayo. Hindi 20 to. Kasi mga napagdagan mo 5 kilo yung bigas. Kaya sa tao.
Oo. Teka lang, dito dalawa, hirap pa tayo. Parang tansyahan lang ata.
Ako na nga tol. Hawakan mo to. Hawakan mo to radyo ko.
Tansyahan lang ata ginawa nila dyan tol. Ako magbubuhat.
Ako na.
Ha?
Ako na. Talent ko to eh. Alam mo nung dati tayo kargador eh.
Kailangan mong spatter. Ano?
Tara.
Kaya?
Taguro.
Ano? Palitan tayo. Ayan mga mangolista. Namumulot kami ng ano ngayon. Kahoy. Dahil palang mapupulot dito eh. Pangdagdag sa ano. Binili namin na ano. $20 na ano. Kahoy. Ito, pandaling pangsindi to. Ito. Pangsindi.
It is the size of my Stopperland. Behold. I know. Wait, is that on camera? Yes. Sending on YouTube? Yes. So all the ladies out there be like.
Mag-ano na tayo, magsisindi tayo, bonfire. Bonfire. Still eh. Go on that side, go on that side. Sia, can you teach him how to take video?
I got more. Oh, that's a bunch. Put a picture. Was it? No.
Talagyan mo na kawit sa gilid.
Oh, I know.
Tinambak na eh.
Oh my. No, I'll do it. Come on. Like this. Okay.
Where you put the ano?
Gani yan.
20.
Yan na lahat yun? Uy! Acha!
Ha? Hindi, maganda yung firework. Ito pinulot lang namin. Marami naman palang ano, mapupulot na ano.
Sudan?
Focus ng kahoy.
Mga boys nagpupulot.
Mami! Diba ko ninakaw na sa likod ng ano? Ninakaw na sa likod ng shed.
Maniwala ko naman.
No, don't go near to Tito.
Okay, kasi lighter. Huwag niyong lalagyan ng ano kasi mausok.
That's the boys.
Mausok.
What's up?
Don't put wet.
Yeah, Jalen. Yeah, I didn't put any wet. You did. Oh yeah, maybe a bit, but Leo. Look at what's blue. The line is blue. Yeah, no, the blue flame is harder than normal flame. Yeah, I know. I studied this a lot in school. No, when I was in college.
Where'd you put leaves?
College.
Kasi now see, I'm gonna get the
This is what's wet.
Okay, cool.
to make it easy. This.
You're gonna cut yourself.
Don't
Wait lang. Sindi ako pa.
What's that? My dad's gonna get annoyed
close
from
the
you.
phone.
Where's the black when he's editing
Yeah, focus.
the video? What's that? Look at the black thing. I didn't even hurt it. It was playing a bit after. Check in our tent. In our tent? Yeah. Oh no. Where's the black thing? Huh?
Sabi ko lang.
Nagkasindi ni Ate Eva. Ako kasi kay Ate Eva ako nila. Si Ate Eva, oo. Hindi naman binili kasi akala niya gagamitin ni Ate Eva. Kasi sabi ni Ate, sige, magagawa naman
No, charging no.
Dapat sinabi niya sa akin. Si Yan inihirap. Kaya pagdating sa akin.
No.
Mamaya pa yung ano, yung phosphor natin.
Ilalagay ko sa floor.
This is dry. This is dry one.
Para may isda tayo.
Tol, dito lang sa may bato.
I am so over you, Isaiah.
Sweat.
Time check, 6:30 na ng ano, gabi, madilim na.
Ano bang ano? Ano nung pangalan?
Kumakain kami ngayon dinner, adobo. Sino nagluto ng adobo? Masarap.
Jefferson.
Ayan o. Ha? Sarap tol, masarap.
May sili pa oh.
Madilim na tol, dito ka sa ilaw para makita ka.
Itim kasi Arvin.
Tol.
Oo, wala. Pwede naman ako umuwi ng umaga eh.
Mga bata nag-i-enjoy.
Para mainit.
Oo nga eh.
Bukas pag maaraw, pwede sila mag-dinner.
Dinner. Ayun na.
Yes, baka matapon na naman yung kape ko.
Ang noodles ni ano, Jaja.
Ano yung mga
I'm second. Second.
Yung spoons, mainit. Siguro put towel. See, get a paper towel. Ito yung lemon
Anong klaseng noodles yan?
Rice noodles. See, get a paper towel like Tita like to put underneath.
Musok pa Rice noodles, ano yan? Pork?
Oh, chicken po.
Chicken po, wow.
Chicken po Costco.
Amoy tinola.
Hindi naman.
Ang bango, grabe. Tol, sabaw, kids. Noodles.
Who wants noodles? Come line up.
Ayun o. Sarap niyan. Noodles. Oh.
Gusto mo ng sili?
Sabaw lang gusto ko.
Ito, dito hati na tayo dito.
Bango, grabe. Grabe, ang bango nung ano, niluluto ni Jaja, oh. Po. Sentensyahan na natin. Anong ano, lasa.
I made chopsticks dito at saka ano, pang sabaw. Ate ay,
Tikman natin. Pahigop nga. Higupin ko lang yung ano, sabaw.
be careful, it's hot. Ito yung kay Kuya John, ate ay.
Usok pa, mamakulista, oh. Tikman natin. Grabe, napakalasa.
Kuya, you want yours?
Panalo. Ano lasa?
Nag-vlog ka ba?
Oo, bablog ako. Ano lasa?
Hindi ko pa natitikman. Kape muna ako.
Ayan si Arvin, oh. Nag-i-enjoy si Arvin sa bonfire. Otol, kumusta yung ano mo? Po.
Sarap po.
Paso ako. Init. Sarap ang po. Habang nagbo-bonfire. Si Ate Sia.
We're doing s'mores.
How's the po?
Good.
Noodles of right?
Lahat yung usok doon. Kasi yung
Bayan si KK.
She's sick.
Archer, naglalaro ng Jenga.
Tapos to KK.
Oh, ayan si Tali. Hello, you like camping?
Yes.
Hindi yung mga bata eh. Ganda ng ano, setup natin. Sarap.